meaning the subject can be absent from the sentence. There are two grammatical genders. Verbs are highly inflected, and there are three moods, indicative, subjunctive. Olá pessoal! Have you been learning some words and sentences, but then get stuck when you try to make your own sentences in Portuguese? Have you been wondering if there is some type of formula that most Portuguese sentences use that will allow you to get this right the majority of the time? The simple answer is yes. Yes, there is. There is a simple base formula that all Portuguese sentences follow. And this base formula is none other than the SVO sequence. Subject, verb, object. And this simply means that there is a doer of an action, the action itself, and then the result or consequence or thing that connects the doer to that action. For example, o gato vê o peixe. So, o gato is the doer of the action of seeing, which is vê, and o peixe is the fish, which is the object in this sentence. It's what the cat is seeing. Now, of course, if it were just as simple as that, you'd be understanding loads by now and speaking many different types of sentences. But as with any language, we have these other words called modifiers, and we add them into our sentences to enrich them, to add additional information, or to change the meaning in some way. O gato cinzento vê o peixe. O gato bonito e cinzento vê o peixe cor de laranja. O peixe vê o gato? Não, o peixe não vê o gato. And now, of course, it would be the understatement of the century for me to just say, that's it, that's all you need to know to be able to speak Portuguese. As of course, Portuguese has loads of complicated rules and exceptions. For example, Portuguese being a null subject language, meaning the subject can be absent from the sentence. There are two grammatical genders. Verbs are highly inflected, and there are three moods, indicative, subjunctive, imperative. I make lots of videos on this channel to help you develop your comprehension of Portuguese without any deep dives into grammar. But if you absolutely love grammar and learning the grammar of foreign languages, I do have a dedicated series to that as well. You'll find some of those videos linked right now on the screen. You'll also find them in the description box below. And please also visit my main video page where I have all these videos organized into playlists as well. And I'll see you in there. Até já!